How to use the schedule page in Gramblr. First click on it. You're going to see there will be a thumbnail, caption, scheduled for, and cancel on here. So if you read this, you must keep your computer on for uploads to take place. If it is asleep, it will wake up for the upload. If it is shut down or hibernating, it will not wake up. If your computer cannot contact the server within 30 minutes, the upload will expire and it will never occur. Check your power settings to make sure you are on high performance. All uploads will occur plus or minus 10 minutes from a specific time. So I've put a bunch of them in here. You can see here's the thumbnail, here's the caption, and here's the schedule time. Saturday, December 15th, 2018 at 12:16. So it's 12:15 right now. So that's going to hit in there. And now if you want to change the time, you can click on here. So I've got this one going in at 12:17. So let's go ahead and move this time. Let's move it to 12:32, and let's save that. So now I've got like 15 minutes in between these. And as I go down, I'm looking at them. Here's another one. I want to change that one too because it's too close. So let's go 36. How's that sound? Do that one there. Then we go a little bit farther and we've got one at 12, at 1:58 and 2. So let's change that one. And let's move this one forward from that 58 time. And we're going to go past the 2 o'clock time. So I'm going to go, I got one at 2:27. So let's go halfway between and save that one. And then let's check and see what we got. We got 27, 43, 3, 330. There's another one we might want to change. We'll put her there. And this is another one we might want to change. And so that's how you do that. Now if you want to get rid of one, you can come over here and just click this cancel button, and that will get rid of it. But so this way you can schedule all through the day. And if you want to edit over here, you can edit over here. Let's say I want to put change his name because we spelled it wrong. Put an I in there, and then bam, saved. Now you can also go in and you can put some mimes in. So if you click here, they're going to give you a little box of mimes. So I'm going to go up to these faces here, and I'm going to let's put in a smiley face. See what happens. Yeah, bam, done. All right, so that's how you do that. And then you can save it if you want, or you can cancel it. I'm going to cancel it because I got some other mimes here. No, I'll leave it. Why not? Let's leave it. All right, so that's how you do it. And that's your schedule page. And as you can see, I've got them scheduled all the way until tonight. And I think I even have some more pages in there, or some more videos in there. But this will save you a lot of time because you can do it all at once. You can do your copy and paste, and you can do your editing later if you need to. And that's how you use the Gramblr schedule page. Okay, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on Gramblr, YouTube, Final Cut Pro, and Mac products, and how to do other stuff. Thanks.